Thanks so much for watching AM Northwest. If you feel like your neck is starting to age you, there is an easy way to tighten it up. Here to tell us more, we welcome back from aesthetic medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm and his patient, Michelle Toole. Good to have you both with us. And you do not get to look at my neck once during this interview. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it.
I promise.
Let's talk about the procedure used to make your neck look great.
I promise. It's a laser, and it goes underneath the skin and melts the fat, and then it tightens the skin. And the secret, the interesting secret is...
So there's no real cutting.
No, it's just a teeny tiny little hole, teeny tiny. And the secret is that there's a little inflammation created between the skin and the muscle, and then the skin sticks to the muscle. So 10 years out, we're not seeing any sagging.
Wow.
Versus the surgery that we used to do, where we would pull everything up, but then within 3 to 5 years, it would sag. So for a procedure that with a day of downtime, that's way cheaper, that's way less invasive, and permanent results, you know, it's interesting.
It's called the LipoLift?
Yeah.
And Michelle, tell me about, why did you decide you wanted to get something done to your chin?
Well, it just, the last few years, it just started happening. It was falling, you know? And plus, I think it's genetic.
Right.
And
did your grandmother have the same chin, you were saying?
One of my grandmothers did, yeah. And then I decided, I was married for 31 years and got divorced and raised kids. And I figured it's time for me to do something for me.
There you go. Yeah.
And so I'm just so happy I did it.
Let's take a look at some before and afters, and I want you to tell me, Dr. Darm, first of all, this looks great, Michelle.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, it's amazing, and we found over the years that not only necks that are full, but necks that with sagging, you know, with just plain sagging skin respond to this treatment too, and necks that are even 2 or 3 times, you know, bigger than Michelle's have responded. So it's really interesting.
Did you experience any pain at all, Michelle?
No, it was so simple. And they are so great there. They're just. You feel safe and comfortable. It's really...
And what has been the reaction from friends and family?
They look at me kind of puzzled, and then
like
they say,
something's different.
Like
I don't know what's different, but something's different, right?
Something's going on, or they'll say, "Gee, you look younger, Michelle," or they'll say, "You must have lost weight."
And you said, "Well, I lost a husband."
Yeah, I lost a husband.
That's a lot of weight.
That's a lot of weight right there.
Yeah, I just lost weight here.
But you must feel awesome, right?
I do. I would suggest anybody, if they want to do it, do it.
Right. And who's a good candidate for this?
You know, anybody between the ages of 25 and, you know, 70. And as long as you're not taking any, you know, blood thinners, and as long as you're in reasonably good health, you know, it's really a benign procedure.
And you said the recovery time is? Just a day.
Just a day. If you do it on a Friday, you can be back to work on a Monday.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
and what about, do you need painkillers to go through this? Are you awake during the procedure?
About half the patients, Michelle included, didn't use or need that other than Tylenol afterwards. You got to wear a tight-fitting garment, you know, for 3 days and 9 nights, but you know, it's really an incredibly benign, kind of like a dental procedure almost, really.
Easier than that.
It's easier than a dental procedure. And you didn't mind wearing the garment to hold things up for a while?
The only thing I did is, it's like an ace bandage that Velcros, and you have to lay on your back. Well, I just got one of those little travel pillows to lay on my back.
Oh, perfect.
And it was nothing.
Well, you look fantastic.
Oh, thanks
Dr. Darm, thank you. Don't look at my chin. If you'd like to find out more, you can contact Aesthetic Medicine in Lake Oswego, 503-697-9777. We'll put that information for you on our website at k2.com. Thank you both very much.